Welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a Windows tablet that can hustle at work, chill with Netflix, and handle a little gaming? I've got you covered. Today we're counting down the top 5 best Windows tablets in 2025 from a wildcard pick to the best overall. Let's go. If you love straightforward tech picks with zero fluff, hit subscribe and tap the bell. Ready? Dive in. Starting strong at number 5 with a wild card, the Surface Pro 9. Why a wild card? Because this one's all about configuration freedom. Meet the Microsoft Surface Pro 9, the sleek 13-inch 2-in-1 that snaps from tablet to laptop in a heartbeat and keeps up with your day from first coffee to final send. Built around a stunning 13-inch Pixel Sense display with ultra-thin bezels and silky smooth scrolling, it's perfect for writing, sketching, presenting, or binging your favorite shows in glorious detail. Pair it with the Surface Pro signature keyboard and slim pen to turn notes and ideas into polished work anywhere. Under the hood, the Microsoft SQ3 delivers responsive performance tuned for multitasking. Juggle research, spreadsheets, calls, and creative apps with confidence. Backed by 16 GB RAM for headroom and 512 GB SSD storage for fast launches and roomy libraries. And because life doesn't stand still, 5G connectivity means downloads, cloud files, and video meetings stay smooth on the move. No hunting for Wi-Fi required. Designed for modern mobility, Surface Pro 9 is thin, light, and beautifully balanced. The infinitely adjustable kickstand makes every surface your desk. Edit at 90 degrees, brainstorm at 120 degrees, sketch low and relaxed for precision control. Windows 11 brings a clean, streamlined experience with effortless multitasking, snap layouts, and your favorite desktop apps. So workflows feel familiar, flexible, and fast. Thoughtful touches elevate everyday use. Studio mics that keep your voice clear, front-facing HD camera for crisp calls, and long battery life that helps you power through meetings, lectures, and flights. 2 USB-C ports and Surface Connect make docking simple at your desk, while optional accessories expand your creative toolkit when inspiration strikes. If you want one device that travels like a tablet, works like a laptop, and connects like a phone, Surface Pro 9 with 5G is the smart, premium choice. Create, communicate, and conquer your to-do list without compromising portability, polish, or performance. And number 4, another Surface Pro 9 configuration that hits the sweet spot for most people. Think balanced performance, excellent battery, and that premium build. Meet the Microsoft Surface Pro 9 2022 in the elegant forest finish. The 13-inch 2-in-1 that slips into your bag like a tablet and works at your desk like a premium laptop. With its razor-thin bezels and vibrant Pixel Sense display, everything from spreadsheets to storyboards looks crisp and inviting. Kick out the iconic, infinitely adjustable stand. Snap on a Surface Pro signature keyboard and slim pen too, and you've got a flexible workstation wherever you land. Under the hood, a 12th Gen Intel Core i5 brings smooth, everyday speed for the work you actually do, dozens of browser tabs, video calls, Office docs, light photo edits, all handled with confidence. 8 GB RAM keeps multitasking fluid, while the fast 256 GB SSD launches apps, opens files, and saves projects in a flash. Pair that with Windows 11 and you'll enjoy clean layouts, snap tools for tidy window management, and effortless transitions between touch, type, and pen. What sets this Surface apart is how polished it feels in motion. It's thin, lightweight, and perfectly balanced, so you can hold it for reading, prop it for note-taking, or park it at 90 degrees for typing marathons. Studio-quality mics and a sharp front camera help you show up clearly on calls, while long-lasting battery life keeps the charger out of sight during meetings, lectures, and flights. 2 versatile USB-C ports and Surface Connect make docking, displays, and file transfer simple. And when you want to nudge to work smarter, Microsoft Copilot in Windows 11 is ready, helping you summarize, draft, organize, and find what you need faster, right from your taskbar. If you want one device that travels like a tablet, performs like a laptop, and looks stunning doing both, the Surface Pro 9 2022 Intel i5 8 gigabytes equals 256 gigabytes is the sweet spot. Create, present, and power through your list with premium design, dependable performance, and the flexibility to fit your day. Number 3 shifts gears. Meet the Asus ROG Flow Z13. This is the gaming-grade Windows tablet that says, yes, your tablet can run that. Meet the Asus ROG Flow Z13 2023, the outrageous mashup of gaming laptop muscle and tablet freedom. At just 13.4-inch, it slips into any bag, then unleashes desktop-class thrills when you flip out the kickstand and fire it up. The star of the show is the 13.4-inch Nebula display, a crisp QHD panel with a buttery smooth 165Hz refresh rate, tall 16:10 aspect ratio, and vivid color that makes games, edits, and streams pop. Under the hood, serious power. An Intel Core i9-13900H teams with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU for high FPS esports and confident performance in modern titles, plus fast exports in creative apps. 16 gigabytes LPDDR5 memory keeps multitasking fluid, while the roomy 1 terabyte PCIe SSD loads games and projects in a snap. Thermals? Asus' clever vapor chamber design and high-efficiency fans help sustain performance inside this ultra-portable chassis. Because versatility matters, the Flow Z13 works brilliantly 3 ways. Tap and swipe in tablet mode, attach the detachable keyboard for laptop mode, or pair a controller and kick back in tent stand mode. Need to go even bigger later? The ROG XG Mobile unlocks external GPU power and extra ports for a full BattleStation upgrade. Wi-Fi 6, E for low latency online play, and Thunderbolt USB-C for speedy peripherals and displays. The device also packs RGB accents, a comfortable backlit keyboard cover, and Windows 11 for a streamlined, game-ready experience. Adding clear speakers with smart amp tech and solid mics for comms, and you're ready for matches, meetings, and everything between. Whether you're a student who games, a creator on the move, or a gamer who refuses to lug a brick, the ROG Flow Z13 is the ultimate go-anywhere rig. Tablet thin, laptop strong, and battle-ready. Runner-up is the Surface Pro 9 tuned for creatives and power multitaskers. This configuration gives you the headroom for editing large photos, compiling reports, and pushing multiple apps side by side. Meet the Microsoft Surface Pro 9 in Classic Platinum, a 13-inch 2-in-1 that travels like a tablet and works like your fastest Ultrabook. The stunning 13-inch Pixel Sense Flow display, up to 120 Hz, brings buttery scrolling, vivid color, and razor text whether you're reviewing decks, sketching concepts, or streaming in between meetings. Kick out the iconic, infinitely adjustable stand. Snap on the Surface Pro's signature keyboard and Slim Pen 2, and you've got a full creative workstation anywhere. Under the hood, the 12th Gen Intel Core i7 delivers confident, laptop-class performance. Paired with a massive 32 gigabytes RAM, multitasking feels effortless. Jump from 30 browser tabs to Lightroom, Teams, and Excel without breaking stride. The fast 1 terabyte SSD launches apps instantly and gives you room for heavyweight media, CAD files, and project archives. This is mobility done right. Thin, lightweight, and beautifully balanced. Studio-quality dual far-field mics and a sharp front camera help you look and sound clear on calls, while all-day battery life keeps you moving from desk to couch to gate without hunting outlets. 2 USB-C with USB 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports and Surface Connect make docking, 4K displays, and speedy storage a plug-and-play affair. On Windows 11, everything feels clean and organized. Use snap layouts, touch, type, and ink in whatever mix fits your flow. And when you want a smarter shortcut, Microsoft Copilot is ready on the taskbar to help summarize notes, draft messages, organize your day, and surface what you need faster. If you want one premium device that sketches like a tablet, types like a laptop, and powers through pro-grade workloads, the Surface Pro 9 is the sweet spot, sleek, versatile, and uncompromising. Taking the top spot is the Surface Pro 9 2022, the best overall Windows tablet for most people in 2025. Why this model? Value, maturity, and reliability. Meet the Microsoft Surface Pro 9, 2022, in sleek graphite. The 13-inch 2-in-1 that slips in your bag like a tablet and works at your desk like a premium laptop. The vibrant 13-inch Pixel Sense Flow display, up to 120 Hz, makes scrolling silky and text razor-sharp, while the taller 3:2 aspect ratio gives you more room for spreadsheets, timelines, and notes. Kick out the iconic, infinitely adjustable stand. Snap on a Surface Pro signature keyboard and Slim Pen 2, and you're set to create anywhere. Powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i7, this Pro 9 is tuned for real multitasking. Jump between decks, dozens of tabs, video calls, and light photo edits without losing momentum. 16 gigabytes RAM keeps everything responsive, and the fast 512 gigabytes SSD launches apps in a blink with room for projects, media, and downloads. Mobility is its superpower. Thin, lightweight, and beautifully balanced for reading, sketching, or working on the go. Studio-quality far-field mics and a sharp front camera help you look and sound clear on meetings, while long battery life means fewer outlet hunts. 2 USB-C with USB 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports plus Surface Connect make docking, 4K displays, and speedy storage simple. On Windows 11, your desktop stays neat with snap layouts and fluid touch, pen, keyboard input. And when you want an extra nudge to move faster, Microsoft Copilot is right on the taskbar, ready to help summarize, draft, organize, and find things quickly. If you want one device that travels like a tablet, types like a laptop, and powers through busy days, the Surface Pro 9 is the sweet spot. Premium, versatile, and ready for work and play. All right, that's the list. All the US links and the latest pricing are in the description. If this helped, drop a like. It seriously helps the channel. Got questions? Comment below with your use case and budget, and I'll help you pick the right one. See you next one.